A physical therapist is performing electromyographic testing. During a maximal output test of the patient's quadriceps muscle, 35% of the motor unit potential is polyphasic. What is the significance of this finding? A. It is normal in the quadriceps. B. It is normal in the triceps brachii, not in the quadriceps. C. It is normal in the biceps brachii, not in the quadriceps. D. It is abnormal in any muscle, and the answer is D. It is abnormal in any muscle. Explanation for this question is: a polyphasic motor unit potential (MUP) refers to a MUP that has multiple phases or peaks instead of a single peak. This finding is abnormal in any muscle, including the quadriceps. Polyphasic MUPs can indicate a variety of underlying conditions, such as nerve damage, muscle disorders, or the presence of motor units that are smaller or farther away from the recording electrode. Further testing may be needed to determine the underlying cause of the polyphasic MUPs and to guide appropriate treatment. It is important to note that electromyographic testing should only be performed by a qualified healthcare professional with appropriate training and expertise. Close attention should be paid to the quality of the recordings, including the presence of polyphasic MUPs, to ensure accurate interpretation of the test results.